Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Ubrick Show. With your host Chef Hashim and Monashini. So we hope you guys liked the previous episode, which was slightly shorter, and me and Monash were actually discussing and thinking, you know what, why not try and limit our episodes to less than 10 minutes. Okay, the maximum being 10 minutes. So today we have a very interesting topic that we'll be discussing, and it has something to do with food. Is it, Monash? What are we discussing today?
Yeah, I mean, you can see the title above. Yes, we're going to talk about popcorns. So we love popcorns. We have all had it. It's one of our favorite snacks. So imagine creating popcorn or making popcorn. When you actually do it yourself, you probably take some kernels, you put it in the microwave, and you wait for 5 minutes. What happens in the first 3 minutes is there's no sound, there's no action that is happening. All the action actually happens in the last 1.5 minutes. And you end up with a lovely bowl of popcorns. So this is an angle we want to bring in today. And we want to see how we can actually connect this particular thing to business.
Okay, so interestingly, we have not changed our show into a cooking show. Okay, guys, just to let you know. And but it's a very interesting example. And when I'm thinking about it, every episode like the previous one was called Chicken and the Egg. Okay, so in the previous episode, we discussed about starting your marketing, not stopping your marketing, not cutting your budgets, getting started with those initiatives. Now, I'm assuming some of you might have already thought of what are these new initiatives. You guys decided, got your approvals, or mentally you are preparing yourself to let me start the marketing efforts. Now, what is going to be different is whatever you start is not going to show results immediately. Yeah. Now, traditionally, when you do a new campaign or anything which is offline, it takes longer sometimes, or sometimes you get results immediately. Even in digital, okay, when you run ads, for example, from day one you might start getting leads. Okay, or if you started creating videos from day one, you might get a response or two, you might get some views, but the actual desired effect might not be there. So this is where we connect this with the whole popcorn effect, where for the first 4 minutes there is no movement. You can just hear a small hissing sound, or you see it's getting fried, and suddenly in that 5th minute is when the whole bowl gets filled up. So similarly, if you're thinking of any initiative, the whole takeaway for today's episode is that whatever initiatives that you actually start, you need to actually give it some time. Yeah. And this is another challenge, being marketeers, being in the industry, being an agency, working with some of the clients. The biggest issue sometimes that we actually feel is some clients or some business owners, they don't have the patience. And this is why if you look at generally in the market, in UAE, okay, the organic efforts are usually the efforts which are done the least. Yeah, and if you look at 10 years of our business, everybody knows SEO is the marathon, okay? But everybody usually wants to go for the 100-meter sprint, which is ads.
No, Chef, there's another angle towards it, especially being a very transit market, UAE as such. People are in for the short run. So you probably see people coming into a job, probably leaving that in the next 3 years, and they want to make sure that whichever initiatives they bring on board, they get the pat on the back, or they get to see the results of those initiatives. And a lot of these good things like SEO, like brand building, like producing content, like the ones we are doing now, is all going to give you delayed results. And these are the initiatives, ideally at this particular time when you are reinitiating a lot of thoughts, and you're seeing how I can push my brand, how can I educate my customers, how can I be more empathetic to my community, things like that. This is going to give you results, but like the popcorn, you have to do those efforts, and then you'll have that ball of results that come through.
I think also one of the differences why some things, if you decided again to reinitiate your marketing or push more on the marketing, because of the current market scenario, right? Many things that actually worked before might not be working now. So even the variables, I think this is what we're discussing, right, Monash? Mm-hmm. The variables have completely changed. So if anything, this is the time where you need to be more patient than before. Yeah.
And like what we were discussing, one very important thing is to have those systems and tools in place. So there's a saying, bad workers blame their tools. It's a very bad saying done by somebody who's a who wants to provide cheap tools or bad tools to their workers. You need the right tools. You need to have the right systems in place for your things to work. So having these initiatives, figuring out what are the things that I should be measuring to see whether I'm going in the right direction should be there. You need to have the right tools to give you those numbers. It could be, if it's a video, it could be views. If it's a radio ad, it could be the kind of brand recognition that you're doing. You're doing a survey before, you're doing a survey after. So any initiative that you do, be it sales or marketing, it has to have
tracking, some sort of tracking
in place. Yeah.
And this tracking is going to actually help you in being patient as well, because you are going to see from day one if there is some sort of growth. There is not going to be like an immediate spike, but if you're actually seeing an upward curve, even slow, you know something is actually working. So the main takeaway of today's episode is be patient on the initiatives that you've actually started, and whatever
have the systems and tools in place
to make sure that you measure as well, because this is going to help you. So we hope you guys like today's episode as well. Let us know what you think, and we will see you in a next episode. Bye bye.